Hello children, I hope you are all happy and healthy today. Welcome to this special English hour. Here we will learn a lot of new things and have lots of fun. नमस्ते बच्चों, I hope आप सब स्वस्थ और तंदुरुस्त हैं। इस स्पेशल इंग्लिश आवर में आप सबका स्वागत है। यहाँ हम ढेर सारी नई चीजें सीखेंगे और खूब मस्ती करेंगे। Are you ready to have some fun? Then please stand up and come close to your TV screen. We will sing a song and dance. अगर आप सबको मस्ती करनी है तो प्लीज खड़े हो जाइए और मेरे साथ ये गाने में जुड़ जाइए। Let's go.
Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, everybody roll.
I hope you enjoyed singing and dancing with me today. Now, I would like to ask you a few questions. You have to think and answer. Children, do you know what a motto is? क्या आपको मोटो का मतलब पता है? A motto is an act of commitment. It is a promise we do to ourselves. एक मोटो एक प्रॉमिस यानी एक वादा होता है जो हम अपने आप से करते हैं। But why do we need a motto in our life? हमें जिंदगी में मोटो की जरूरत क्यों है? Motto helps us become better human beings. They teach us values. मोटोज से हम अच्छे इंसान बनते हैं। Do you have any motto in life? क्या आपकी जिंदगी में कोई मोटो है? I have a motto in life. I will help everybody. This is my motto. It helps me become a helpful person. मेरी जिंदगी का मोटो है कि मैं हर इंसान की मदद कर पाऊं। इससे मैं सबको मदद कर पाती हूँ और अच्छी इंसान बन पाती हूँ। Do you think we should have a motto to clean our surroundings? क्या आपको लगता है कि हमारे आसपास की जगह को साफ रखने का हमारा मोटो होना चाहिए? I think so, yes. I think we should have a motto to clean our surroundings and be in a healthy environment. मुझे लगता है कि हमें आसपास की जगह को साफ रखने का मोटो रखना चाहिए। इससे हम सब हेल्दी यानी तंदुरुस्त रहेंगे। Let me read a chapter to you with different kinds of mottos. Before we read the chapter, I would like all of us to learn some new words. We will find these words in the mottos we read. Our first word is motto. 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 My motto is to score good marks in exam. Jyoti's motto is to be kind to everyone. Our second word is help. 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 I like to help my friends. Everyone should help other people with their problems. Our third word is learn. 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 I learn interesting things from my storybook. Sushma wants to learn about Indian history. Our last word is care. 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 Vaibhavi took care of her pet. Please take care of my plants. Great students! We learnt 4 new words today. Let's revise them. Motto, help, learn, care. Good. Now we will find these words in the chapter I read today called mottos. If you have a textbook, please remove your English textbooks and open page 61. Please point your finger on the words that I read. If you don't have a textbook, listen to me carefully. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है तो पेज नंबर 61 खोलिए। आपकी उंगली उन शब्दों पे रखिए जो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ। अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो ध्यान से सुनिए। Let us read the mottos now. We like to help animals. We care for all animals. This motto is about animals. They help animals and they also take care of them. इस मोटो में वो जानवरों की देखभाल करते हैं और उनकी मदद करने की भी बात करते हैं। I like to read. I like to learn. Books teach us many things. This motto is about learning. She talks about reading and learning from books. इस मोटो में हम नई चीजें सीखने की बात करते हैं। वो लड़की बुक्स से अलग-अलग चीजें सीखती है पढ़ के। We care for plants. We help to grow plants. This motto is about plants. We care for them and we also help them grow. ये मोटो पेड़ और पौधों के बारे में है, जहां पे हम उनकी देखभाल करने की बात करते हैं और उनको लगाने में भी मदद करते हैं। Eat well, sleep well, exercise every day, keep your body fit and fine. This motto is about our own health. If we eat and sleep properly, then we will be fit. We also need to exercise regularly. ये मोटो हमारे स्वास्थ्य के बारे में है। अगर हम टाइम से खाना खाते हैं, सोते हैं और एक्सरसाइज भी करते हैं, तो हम तंदुरुस्त रहेंगे। Wasn't this interesting to read? We saw so many different mottos about health, plants, water. There are a few other mottos that I would like to read out. Let's look at them. Be kind to animals. This motto is about animals. Be polite. Never tell lies. Save water. Waste not, want not. We should not waste anything and we should not want for a lot of things. Truth. Please turn off the tap. When we are not using water, we should turn off the tap. Keep this place clean. Honesty. Save electricity. I hope you liked the different mottos. Please choose one motto that you will follow. ये सारे मोटोज में से आप एक मोटो चूज कीजिए जो आप फॉलो करेंगे। I have another interesting activity for you. Now, I will ask you a few riddles. You have to guess the answer. अब मैं आपको कोई पहेली पूछूंगी और आपको उसका जवाब बताना है। Let's look at an example. Let's see here. I live in jungles. I am clever. My name begins with an F. Who am I? Yes, it's a fox. Fox live in jungles and they are very clever. I hope you were able to guess it. Let's look at the next riddle. You open your mouth to do it. It shows you are sleepy. What is it? ये कार्य करने के लिए आपको मुंह खोलना पड़ता है। इससे पता चलता है कि आपको नींद आ रही है। क्या है ये? Yes, it's a yawn. Let's look at the next one. My name begins with Z. It rhymes with hero. Who am I? मेरा नाम Z से शुरू होता है। मेरा आवाज हीरो जैसा है। मैं कौन हूँ? Yes, I am 0. 0 starts with Z and sounds like hero. Hero, 0. I hope you were able to get it. Let's look at the next one. I fly, but I am not a bird. I have a tail, but I am not an animal. There is T in my name. Who am I? Yes, I am kite. Kite can fly and also has a tail. Let's look at our last riddle. I look like a horse. I have black and white stripes. Who am I? मैं घोड़े जैसा दिखता हूँ. मेरे शरीर पे ब्लैक और व्हाइट स्ट्राइप्स है. मैं कौन हूँ? Yes, I am zebra. Zebra looks like horse and has black and white stripes. Very good, students. I hope you enjoyed the activity. Now, it's time for you to sit back and relax while I tell you a wonderful story. Children, do you have a mission in life? क्या आपकी जिंदगी का कोई मिशन है? My mission is to help everyone. I want to do good for children. मेरी जिंदगी का मिशन है कि मैं लोगों को मदद करूं और छोटे बच्चों के लिए कुछ अच्छा करूं. Like all of us, even animals have mission. Today, I will read a story to you about mission of the fish. आज मैं आपको एक स्टोरी बताऊंगी जिसमें हम मछलियों का मिशन जानेंगे. Are you excited to know what is their mission? Let me read a story to you called Mission of the Fish, written by Ahmed Musfika Nazneen. Tengra and Beauty are playing in the river. Suddenly, Tengra hits his head on something hard. Tengra और Beauty दोस्त है और वो खेल रहे हैं. अचानक से टेंगरा का सिर किसी भारी चीज पे लग जाता है. Oh, what is that? Tengra asks angrily. It is a coconut shell. Have the rivers become dumping grounds for trash? Beauty asks. टेंगरा गुस्से में आ जाता है. पूछता है क्या है ये? वो नारियल होता है. ब्यूटी पूछती है क्या हमारा पानी अब कचरा के लिए बना है? The river used to be so beautiful, Tengra thinks. He swims around and notices more garbage. The river is full of people's trash. He becomes more and more angry. टेंगरा सोचने लगता है कि कितनी सुंदर थी ये नदी पहले. अब यहाँ पे सिर्फ कचरा और कूड़ा है. वो जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ता है उसका गुस्सा भी बढ़ते जाता है। Tangra decides to call his friends, Beauty, Rui, Chingri, Koi. They all gather to think how can they make this place cleaner where they live. They decide to speak directly to humans. टेंगरा अपने बाकी दोस्तों को जमा करके उनसे मदद मांगता है। वो सब सोचने लगते हैं कि हम ये जगह कैसे साफ रखेंगे। वो सोचते हैं कि वो सीधा इंसानों से बात करेंगे। The next day, his friends go near the river bank and spot a boy who was throwing garbage in the river. They tell him gently, "You are polluting our home. Why are you throwing garbage in the river?" टेंगरा और उसके दोस्त नदी के किनारे जाते हैं। वहां पे उनको एक लड़का दिखता है जो कचरा फेंक रहा है। Next day, Tengra and his friends swim excitedly to school. They know their home will be beautiful again. अगले दिन टेंगरा और उसके दोस्त स्कूल जाते हैं। अब उन्हें पता है कि उनका घर फिर से अच्छा हो जाएगा। Wasn't it an interesting story, students? We saw how Tengra and his friends were not happy because humans were trashing their river. They were throwing garbage in their homes. But then they speak to a boy and that boy spreads the message. Now, nobody puts garbage in the river and the fishes live happily. हमने देखा कि टेंगरा और उसके दोस्त बहुत उदास थे क्योंकि हम सब उनके रिवर में कचरा करते थे। लेकिन फिर उन्होंने एक दिन एक लड़के से बात की और उनको कहा कि आप प्लीज हमारे घर में कचरा मत कीजिए। वो लड़के ने बात सुनी और अपने बाकी दोस्तों से भी कही। फिर धीरे धीरे सबने कचरा करना बंद कर दिया और वो रिवर दोबारा सुंदर हो गई। I hope you liked this story and today's session. I would see you soon in the next session. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.
Scooby